Hi students, I am Dr. Badrinath, and in this video we will see the concept of hypothesis in the subject of biostatistics. Biostatics is a subject for B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, Pharma D as well as a pre-PhD examinations also. Okay, so actually the pharmacy students they will feel biostats very difficult, but it's actually very easy. Okay, especially when you are doing a hypothesis testing. Hypothesis is there in your syllabus. Keep in your mind hypothesis, always some imaginations will be there, some imagination, some hallucinations will be there. Okay, reality is less when compared to the hallucination. Okay, it is not 100% reality. Either your UG thesis book or PG thesis book, whatever it may be, most reality will be there, but however certain part there is a hallucinations. Okay, there is imagination. That's why I made this diagram, right? Yeah, this image you can see. Hypothesis means some imagination must be there, then only you can say it is a hypothesis. Thesis name itself indicates, right? Now statistics is a not mathematics. Most of the students they are confusing, but statistics is different, mathematics is different. Okay, see here, this is a apple, this is also apple, both we have to say it is also apple, it is also apple, but there is some differences there. See here, see the color of the apple, it is a green apple, it is a red apple. See here, it is a perfect shape, is perfect. Here somewhat imperfect shape is there, finishing is not good. Okay, it is not a complete fruit. See here, you can see this, it is a complete fruit. Okay, like that mathematics is also calculations, statistics is also calculations, but there is some difference is there between the both. If you know the difference, you will get more interest in the topic of biostatistics. We will see now what is the difference between the mathematics and statistics. Okay, right. Yeah, this is your syllabus. In your syllabus, biopharmaceutical, that is research methodology as per the Pharmacy Council of India. And the highlighted topic here, today's topic, null hypothesis. It comes in the biostatistics. Null hypothesis is very good. Okay, I like that null hypothesis. Yeah, okay, very interesting also. Yeah, let us see what is null hypothesis. Before that, we will see what is the basic differences between mathematics and statistics. Then only you came to know what is the importance of the null hypothesis. First of all, you have to know the differences. Okay, yeah. See, I have told the differences. Okay, here three differences are there between mathematics and statistics. First one, see here, problem itself. See here, type of problem. Mathematics type of problem is different. Questions are different. And statistics also, type of problem, questioning is different. First of all, number one. That's why I made three diagrams here. Question itself different. Both are calculations only, right? Yeah. Next is method of solving. How you are solving the method. See second picture, how you are solving the picture. Third one, the answer. It is also different. Three things are different, completely different. Okay, what is that differences and all? In that only null hypothesis will come, right? Yeah, let's enjoy the topic. Yeah, first one we will see the problem. What is the problem difference? What is the difference? In mathematics, you can see one example I have given. If each apple is 6 rupees, what will be the cost of 50 apples? Easily anybody can say, and you will get an answer. Anybody can say it, you can do a multiplication and all, right? Question is very clear, very clear. There is no ambiguity, there is no uncertainty. Points are important here. See the statistics from college A, out of 100, 78 members are passed. From college B, out of 100, 79 members are passed. Is college A is equal to college B? Cannot say. Some students they will say only one is different, 78, 70, almost equal. Nobody saying exactly equal. Either it is a equal or not. Some are saying only one is different is equal. Somebody saying one is difference is there. Okay, so not equal, like that they are saying. So some people argue like that and some people argue like that. What we have to decide and what is the step we have to take in that situation? So okay, you can see the power of statistics. Statistics will say what will be the either both are same or not same, like that. Okay, first you see the question understanding is very important in the statistics, right? We will see one more question. If 10 houses costs 1 crore rupees, what will be the cost of one house? Anybody, even childhood student also, high school student also able to do the mathematics. See, when you come to the statistics, Arabindo Pharma Lab gave 56% profit to their shareholders in the last year. Whereas the Reddy Lab gave 58% of the profit to their shareholders in the last year. Is Arabindo company is equal to Reddy's Lab? I don't know. 2% is difference is there. So some are saying it almost equal. Some are saying it is equal only, very negligible. Some are saying no, 2% difference is there. It is not equal. See, in such a cases, what you have to take a decision. Second point. Now we will see first type of problem you understand now. Okay, what is the difference between a mathematics and statistics? Now we will see the method of solving, how you have to solve the problem. Yeah, here you will get all the details. This very important slide. See, in mathematics, no consideration of the thesis. No thesis word. Thesis means always you have to consider something. You have to imagine something. You have to hallucination something must be there. See, that's why here in mathematics, no consideration of thesis. Here, consideration of thesis. What thesis? Null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis you must consider in before starting any problem in statistics. You have to consider two hypotheses: null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. Without that you cannot do a statistics problem. Yeah, next come to the formula. Here you will get a fixed formula, either multiplication, addition, subtraction, all like that. Some formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here not like that. Various method you can use. See, for same problem, you can use the parametric test or you can use a non-parametric test also for same problem. You will get a different answer. If you are using a parametric test, you will get one type of answer. If you are using a non-parametric test, you will get a different answer. Same question. See, parametric test is there in your syllabus. Non-parametric test is also there in your syllabus. Here, three are there in the syllabus. Students t-test, okay, chi-square test, ANOVA. Here, non-parametric test, they gave 5. Sign test, Wilcoxon signed rank test, Wilcoxon rank sum test, Mann-Whitney U test, Kruskal-Wallis test. 5 tests are there. So, how you have to solve? You can choose any method. Okay, there is some rules is there, which method you have to select, but you can choose any method, no problem in that. You will get a different answer. Student to t-test will give one value, chi-square test give another value, ANOVA test give another value for same problem. Okay, so first step is consideration of the null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. Second one is various formulas or methods you can use. Okay, and you have to compare with the standard table for all the tests. There is a one standard table will be given in your book. That pages you have to take to the examination. T-test, T-table is there, chi-square test, chi-test. The obtained value for the problem, you have to compare with the table value. Okay. Third phase is the third phase. Accept or reject the null hypothesis or alternative hypothesis. So first one is consideration of null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis. Number 2 is parametric method or non-parametric method you are using. Third one is either you accept a null hypothesis or reject a null hypothesis. 3 steps are there. Okay, this is how to solve the statistics problem, statistics methods. Okay, now we will see third one. These two are over. Problem is different, you know very well, and this method of solving is different. And the idea, answer. See how the answer is different. See, in the mathematics, you will get perfect answer. 6 apples into 50. So 50 apples. Each apple 6 rupees. 300 rupees. Answer is perfect. Here, you will not get a perfect answer in statistics. You never get. You never. Best answer you will get. You will get a best answer, not the perfect answer. That is the difference here. Because all are, see, question itself having some imaginations, something is there. Okay, something, some ambiguity is there. It is just like a prediction, just like some prediction will be there. So you will get a best answer here, not the perfect answer. No variability in the conclusion. Here always variability is there in the conclusion. Some variation will be there definitely. And no uncertainty, some uncertainty, no, here some uncertainty is there. And 100% surety in the answer. Guarantee anybody can do the problem any times, any method if they follow, answer is one. Here there is no 100% surety in the answer. If you are changing the method of doing, okay, definitely there is a variance. Okay, there is no 100% surety. 90% surety, 95% surety, 99% surety will be there. Here 100% you will give in the mathematics. That's why there is no concept of confidence intervals in the mathematics. Here, even though you did an answer, you have to say with confidence of 95% only, my answer 95% is correct. That's it. Either it may really happen or not. Aurobindo lab is equal to Reddy's lab. But 95% only. I won't say 100%. Nobody will give 100% surety in the statistics. It is all just prediction, future predictions. Next, what will happen, like that. Yeah. Now let us start the null hypothesis. See, whenever you start a statistical problem, first of all, you have to do a first step. You have to consider, you have to create null hypothesis as well as a alternative hypothesis. Then only you have to take run. Up to that, don't run. 1, 2, 3 count you have to do. No, that consideration is there. See here, null hypothesis. It is indicated by the H naught, H0, H naught. Whereas a alternative hypothesis, H1, it is indicated. Okay, it is officially given in all the books that you have to keep in your mind. In the exam you have to write. Okay, before starting off any problem, statistical problem, you have to consider null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis indicated by H1, and that is a H0. Right. Now what is null hypothesis? Yeah, let's come, let's see what is a null hypothesis. See here, the question is there, very easy, dead easy. Cats prefers the food based on shape of the food. See here, you can see this is a cat. Now I have a question here. I supplied with the two types of food. One is having a fish shape. See here, fish shape. Whereas here triangular shape. Either cats or cats will give a preference to take a by seeing on the shape of the food. Generally it is used to take the eat the fishes. So that's why we designed one food as a fish. This was a question. These type of questions will not come in the mathematics. Definitely these type of questions will be there only in the statistics. Stats, by seeing the question itself you should able to tell what is the statistics. Either it is a statistics or mathematics. Now what happened if this is the question? Here you have to consider null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. See, name itself indicate null hypothesis. Null, nil, nothing, nothing, zero. That's why it is indicated by H0. First of all, you must consider for any problem, there is no difference between the food. Cat doesn't give preference to the food. This food is having a same preference with that of this food. Okay, see, that's why it is indicated no difference between the two foods. Difference is zero. That's why it is called a null hypothesis. Both foods are equal. See here, null hypothesis I considered here. H0, cats does not prefer foods based on the shape. Difference between the fish shape and the triangle shape is equal to 0, no difference. Cat will take anyone, no preference based on the shape. Whereas an alternative hypothesis, so here fish shape is equal to triangle shape. Here alternative hypothesis H1, cat prefers food based on the shape. Difference between the fish shape and the triangle shape, something is there. Okay, fish shape does not equal to triangle shape. Fish shape is either greater than or less than the triangle shape. These type of things you have to make. First of all, you have to write the thesis. Then you do the parametric test, non-parametric test. You obtained value compare with the standard table. Then you reject the hypothesis or accept the null hypothesis. Right? Now we will see one more thing. Here, what is null hypothesis? Is yellow and pink, this is yellow color, this is pink color. Is yellow and pink color shows difference on the plant growth. Null hypothesis. Plants grow same with yellow, pink. Difference between yellow and pink is equal to 0. Yellow color is a pink color. No difference, right? What is the alternative hypothesis? Plant grows differently with yellow and pink. Difference between yellow and pink color is something. Okay. Yellow color does not equal to pink color. Yellow color is either greater than or less than the pink color, because not equal, no. Right. Okay. Null hypothesis, all are equal. Alternative hypothesis, all are not equal. This is the thing. Is children's play music like adults? Both are equal? Maybe talent is there for children's also, as that of the, see some programs like singing programs and all. Maybe they're talented only, but equally talented or not, that we cannot say exactly. These type of questions in statistics. Null hypothesis. Children's and adults play music equally. Children musical talent with is same with that of the music talent. Difference between the children and adult is equal to 0. Children's is equal to adults in music sense. Alternative hypothesis H1, children and adults have a different music talent. Difference between the children and adult is something. Children's not equal to adults. Children's are either equal, either greater than or less than the adult. Like that you have to consider. You must. Yeah. Now I'll see our pharmaceutical example. This is the generic. This is the branded one. Bayer company, highly standard company. It is a branded one. Aspirin costs around 6.29, and here aspirin CVS company. See, here, if the Bayer company aspirin tablet is therapeutically equal to the CVS generic aspirin, now the question is there. Now, what we have to scratch our head. They will give some data later. That is another part. If the question is like that, first you have to consider null hypothesis. Bayer and CVS are therapeutically equal. CVS is equal to Bayer, no difference. Both are equal. Both tablets are equivalent, good. Alternative hypothesis, Bayer and CVS have a different therapeutic effect. There is something difference is there. Bayer is not equal to CVS company. Like that, you have to write first both. Here you can see that. The table below shows the hours of the relief provided by 2 analgesic drugs in 12 patients. Number of patients are 12. See here, case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Both are analgesics, painkillers. So, in first case, drug A, if they gave 2 hours, is a relief. Here, for drug B, same patient, 3.5 hours relief is there, pain relief. Second case, 3.6 hours, 5.7 hours, 2.6, 2.9. Here, see, almost same third one. Whereas here, it becomes less here, B, 2.6, 2.4. See, sometimes B is showing good relief. Whereas in some cases, it is showing less relief. In such a cases, it will become a headache, and what you have to conclude. We cannot conclude for one patient. You have to take 12 patients or 20, 25. Now you have to scratch your head. What is your answer? There is no answer in the mathematics for this. Statistics, right? In this example, null hypothesis considers that there is no difference between a drug A and a drug B, whereas the alternative hypothesis, there is a difference between drug A and B. So later we will decide, we will follow parametric method, non-parametric method, any method, and compare with the table, and finally I have to either accept a null hypothesis or reject a null hypothesis. That is the third part. Yeah, here you can write, by seeing the question, you have to write what is null hypothesis, what is alternate. That is only target here. From college A, out of 100, 78 members are passed. From college B, 79 members are passed. What is null hypothesis? You guess. Two colleges are equal. There is no difference. Standard default program. Null hypothesis is a default. Aurobindo Reddy is equal. Alternative hypothesis not equal. Null hypothesis, this you have to write in the examination with all examples I have shown. Okay, pharmaceutical examples also you have to write whenever they will give a null hypothesis. Null hypothesis is a type of hypothesis which is used in the statistics that proposes that no statistical significantly difference in a set of given observation, whereas the null hypothesis attempts to show that no variation exists between two variables, or difference between two sets of given set is a zero. It is a presumed that to be true until statistical evidence nullifies that alternative hypothesis. Okay, alternative hypothesis opposite to that of that, there is something difference is there. There is a significant difference exists between a given observation. These points, definitions you have to write in the examination. Yeah, here I will end my session. Okay, in the next videos we will see the, so I'm uploading, keep in my channel's playlist. I have uploaded with all subject wise. Okay.